to talk to the leaders of DMK and CPIM and all those who are in Hyderabad, and he has just now addressed the legislature party of the Congress and also honorable members of the party in the Jubilee Hall. I would like to request that if you would like to put any question, but not more than 2 to 3 questions, that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Just I would like to add 2 words to what Ghulam Nabi ji has stated. I had interaction with the friends in media in Hyderabad umpteen number of times, but I addressed them either as minister or as Congress leader, either to explain the policies of the government or to explain the policies of the party. Today, my position is unique. I cannot speak on any policy, either of the government or of the party. As envisaged in the Indian Constitution, President is a non-partisan man. President's office is a non-partisan office. And President cannot speak on the policy other than the policy which is determined by the government, which is the elected executive in the form of the cabinet headed by the Prime Minister. As Ghulam Nabi ji has pointed out, I have started I would not use the word campaign, but my interaction with the voters of the Electoral College from Chennai. This morning I had interaction with the voters of the members of the Electoral College, which consists of the elected representatives of the State Assembly and also the elected representatives of both houses of Parliament belonging to the state. And after that, I will go back. I have the intention of visiting as many state capitals as possible, and I have started from yesterday and I would like to carry it on till 15th of July. Now I leave the floor to you. Please be a little louder out. MIM is they are our allies. Naturally, I will have interaction with them. You know, I have taken that position that this election is fought, as I mentioned, on the basis of the Electoral College. Electoral College is constituted by the elected representatives of the State Assembly and the members of the Parliament. Naturally, every election, not now, from 1952 onwards, the political parties who have their representations, members of the Electoral College belong to the political parties, they decide. And the members belonging to the political parties vote according to the decisions of the parties concerned. So I have appealed to all those political parties who have not yet decided to extend their support to me. Those who have extended their support to me, like all UPA partners except TMC, outside UPA, those who are supporting UPA from outside like Samajwadi and BSP, I have expressed my thanks to them. Those who are opposing UPA government on the floor of the House, like CPIM, Forward Bloc, JDU or Shiv Sena, but have extended their support to me as UPA nominee for the presidential election. I have also thanked them. And I am appealing to all those who have not yet decided to take decision and take decision in my favor, in favor of the UPA candidate. Last question.
Last question.
Hello, photographer.
Thank you.
Hello. Hello. Please.
I do not know. I do not believe in miracles. I do not know whether any miracle may happen or not. Thank you very much. Namaskar.